In this video, we will show you how to adjust forward collision warning on your Tesla Model Y. Start by touching controls on your touchscreen. Then go to autopilot. Under the autopilot menu, look for and select forward collision warning. Then choose your warning sensitivity. If you want to turn off the warnings, completely select off. For standard warning timing, which is balanced for everyday driving, choose medium. This is the default setting. If you prefer to be warned later, giving you more time to react before the alert, choose late. For a more cautious approach where warnings are issued sooner, select early. Keep in mind that whatever sensitivity setting you choose, it will be saved and retained until you decide to change it manually. Here are a few important things to remember about how forward collision warning operates. This system only works when you're driving between approximately 3 miles per hour or 5 kilometers per hour and 124 miles per hour or 200 kilometers per hour. It will not issue warnings if you're already applying the brakes. And remember, the forward collision warning system is designed to provide alerts only. It doesn't apply the brakes for you, so when you see or hear a warning, it's your responsibility to take immediate corrective action. That's it. See you in the next one.